Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to share Letterboxd rating on Instagram. Open the Letterboxd app and website to log into your account. Find the film you want to rate and click on it to access its page. Use the rating feature to rate the film. After rating a film, navigate to your profile or account settings on Letterboxd. Look for a section that displays your ratings or a list of films you have rated. If you want to share your ratings visually on Instagram, take a screenshot of the film's ratings or your rating list on Letterboxd. Launch the Instagram app on your device and log into your Instagram account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post on Instagram. If you took a screenshot of your Letterboxd rating, select the screenshot from your device's photo library to upload it to Instagram. Write a caption for your post. You can mention the film's title, your rating, and any thoughts or comments you want to share. Use relevant hashtags related to the film, your rating, Letterboxd, and any other relevant topics to reach a wider audience. If you want to notify Letterboxd or make your post visible to the Letterboxd community, you can tag at Letterboxd in your Instagram post. Once you have customized your post, tap on the share button to publish it on your Instagram profile. Monitor comments and interactions on your Instagram post. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and discussing the film or your rating further. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.